What's up, guys? Quick video on how to solder. Sand up your pipe really good. It's really important with solder to get it nice and clean. And once you sand that thing, you want to go right into adding flux to it. You don't want to really let your fittings sit around if you want to get a nice reaction. I already sanded that pipe, so it's ready to go. When I heat up the fitting and the pipe all together, you want to get them both nice and hot. And you want to use a map torch, the yellow cans. The blue ones don't get as hot. So once you get it all nice and hot, you realistically can pretty much hold the flame at the bottom of the pipe, and it will hold that solder all the way around it. I do like to go around once and make sure it gets a good seal. You can kind of see how it just went all the way around, just like that. So there you go. Make sure your fittings are really clean and heat up everything equally and get it done. It's pretty easy. So once you get that thing on there, wait a few seconds, because you hit it with a rag. If you spin your rag on there, you will spin that fitting loose. So just touch it with a rag.